It's obvious you know a lot about disability insurance. That's an area you specialize in. Do you take new clients? Tell me, why should I think about coming to you for a disability insurance application?
Well, we're going to give you an objective quote. We're not going to waste your time and knock on your door. We're going to email you the quotes, we'll mail you the quotes, and we'll educate you over the phone in depth, more so than you've ever been before. And we'll put the comparison in an easy, readable manner. We'll put everything in writing, and we'll basically educate you to hopefully 99% of my capacity, and then you can make a decision whether you want to deal with us or anyone throughout the country. That's your business. But we're here to educate you. I think given our specialty and focus, you'll see the difference in how we operate, and you have nothing to lose to give us a shot. You can go to your local agents as well. We applaud that.
You're not intimidated or concerned about someone trying to get the best possible deal going to someone else yet working with you. Is that what I'm understanding?
Yeah, I've been selling disability insurance for 25 plus years nationally. We actually are not licensed in Alaska and Hawaii any longer, although I have a colleague here in the office that is. So I should say I'm not, but he is. And just because of the hours, there's a 6-hour difference, and we don't do a lot of business in Hawaii and Alaska, quite honestly. But no, we're very confident with what we do and what we deliver, and we don't like to waste our time or your time. And professionally speaking, you'll see in another segment, we do have a doctor, and he's my cheerleader. He's a disabled neurosurgeon. He was making 7 figures. And back in the early 90s, I forced $25,000 a month of benefit on the books for him, lifetime benefit, 6% compound cost of living rider. And he's been collecting since January 2000, and he will be the rest of his life. And the funny part of this story is we had Dr. Conroy at our house. I introduced him to my wife, and I took out my present value calculator, and I told him if he lives to age 100, I'm going to pay him $78 million tax-free. And before he met me, he never heard from his agent, and he had some small benefit with Paul Revere. The definition was not adequate. I pointed that out, I educated him, and it turned out to be a very rewarding relationship in view of referrals and testimonials and so forth. And as I said, you'll be able to hear his live testimonial in another segment. And many of our docs, even if you are making big money in the medical field or any occupational class, the carriers do have limitations in view of individual contracts. We can wrap that with Lloyd's of London. I've had docs where they were capped out at $20,000 a month from an individual carrier standpoint, and I wrapped that with $50,000 a month with Lloyd's of London. Or many docs are not educated. Hey, you own your own business. What about business overhead disability? Well, you have a key doctor in the office, key man disability. There's a lot of different products to fulfill different objectives, to fill the loopholes and take the risk out of your practice or your business.